Hi, I'm Dale and welcome to Spotted Motors, and I suppose welcome to the sale of my 1979 Ford Foxbody Mustang. In the next couple of hours there's a lovely young lad who's travelled 3 hours to come and collect the car, so I just wanted to do a quick walk round and a quick sort of goodbye to the Foxbody, whether it's more for myself so I can watch it back in a couple of years time. I'm not too sure, but there you go. We'll have a quick walk round the 1979 Foxbody Mustang, and I'm already going to say it, sorry about the wind and the microphone quality, bear with us with that. So yeah, this is the Foxbody Mustang that's been in my possession for the last couple of years now, and it's been a fantastic car. It's been a load of fun. But if you watch the previous video, which we're not going to go into, there is my reasons for selling it. It's a 347, it's a stroker, works out about 5.7, C4 transmission. It's got all the right bits in it, it's all been stripped out. It is a street strip car, and I'm sure the lad who buys it is going to have an absolute ton of fun with it. Am I sad to see it go? Of course I am, but it just means that there's a great opportunity for Spotted Motors and myself to sort of buy something else and just have a load of fun. So who knows what we'll end up with next, but I can assure you it's going to be something cool and something good. I just want to do a quick shout out as well too, and I hope this works so the wind doesn't waft it all over the place, to our really good friends at Unusual Car Sales UK. It's a page that is on Facebook, and they sell everything from hot rods, customs, yanks, drag cars and classics. It's an absolutely fantastic page, and Nigel and his team run a very, very tight ship. So yeah, I just want to do a massive thank you to Unusual Car Sales UK. Find them on Facebook and get involved in growing that incredible Facebook page. So yeah, guys, thank you very much indeed. I'm going to turn off now, and I might get a little footage of it on the back of the trailer and driving off. I'm not going to pester the lad, but there you go. Thank you very much indeed. You've been a fantastic car, and yeah, it's going to be sad to see it go. Well, this can be only described as a very damp and miserable day, but there we go. The Foxbody is loaded up and it's in fantastic ownership now. Oh, I'm gutted. Yeah, I've got too much to say now, so I'll head off.